Trucks. Functional, but generally boring. Unless you're in Pakistan, where they are works of art. This is the land of the jingle truck. This morning I've come to a famous truck workshop in Havelian to see how these masterpieces are created. So as you can see, this Bedford truck has been taken right back to basics, and it'll take around 1 month or 2 months to get it all back together again. All depends how much money the owner wants to spend. You can see that the wood frame above the windscreen, that's all ready to go. So here it's all been stripped away. These Bedford trucks are 50 to 60 years old, still going strong, and as they keep getting stripped down and made up again, hell, they could go for another 50 or 60 years. Let's see what these old Bedfords have got under the bonnet. Look at that. You know, that'll probably be going longer than many electric vehicles. Yeah. How long has he been making these trucks?
ये कितना अर्सा हो गया ये काम करते हुए आपका?
मेरा तकरीबन 55 साल हो गया।
ये काम कब सीखा था आपने?
जब स्कूल छोड़ा उसके बाद।
55 years he's working on the trucks.
Wow.
When he left school, he had been to school or 2-3 class, and then he left the school, and then he started working in the truck workshops. So till now is 55 years.
A true master craftsman.
Yes, truck driver, he's demanding more. So his truck should be the most beautiful trucks on the road. So this is the competition between drivers and drivers. Truck drivers have their own ideas. They're looking for the other trucks. So some truck drivers, they like poetry on their trucks. Some of them more flowers. Some of them they are interested with the birds pictures. This is depending of the drivers and owner.
So here we've got flowers, birds, poetry, beautiful mountain landscapes, and the various destinations that this truck will go to. Working, sleeping, this is it. Got your air conditioning up there. So this is another old Bedford that's having its cabin sorted out. Just incredible. Now let's see a cabin that's actually been finished. Stripped right back and then fully decorated in under 2 months. The workshop is really happy with this. I hadn't appreciated that they paint the interior as well. No matter that hardly anyone will see it because it'll be loaded up with goods, everything is painted. Here comes the engine. It's been a real joy to see true craftsmen and engineers at work. I only wish my late father could have been here, because he would have got stuck in stripping down that engine, I tell you. This has got to be the best bumper I've seen so far in my whole travels. That's some serious bling right there. Let's have a look in the cab here, so it's going to be pretty cool, I think. Oh yeah. That is absolutely bananas. All along this street there are workshops, parts shops, everything you want to get the best truck in the country. This is where you get your hanging decorations. Never seen a truck with incense sticks before.
Decoration.
Let's get some for the car. Now they were the big trucks. If you want a mini truck, well, that can be done too. Now as you drive around Pakistan, of course, you also see thousands and thousands of tuk-tuks, and they are not going to be left out on the action either. Look at this. I think I'm going to buy a rocket for my Audi. That'll shock the neighbours. Tractors get in on the action too. The truck shops of the Karakoram Highway. There really is nowhere else in the world quite like it.